Okay, hope it's not too noisy. Very first thing I'm gonna install, since I got a little time. Can't finish painting the last few parts because it's been raining for the last couple of days. So waiting till tomorrow, the next day, to finish those off. But since I had these in here already, I'm gonna install these. These are some very nice pieces. Came off a Mustang that I had. These Cobras didn't come with the full guard, and that's probably why a lot of them that I've seen, just about all of them, with the exception of this, some rusted out, kind of really bad up in there. Whereas they come with this. This car came with this piece. You can see these flaps here. They fit in these slots. Here. See one here, one right there. And they fit in these slots. But we're not going back with this. We're going back with those. Kind of give it a, it feels like this huge void to me. And it protects all of this metal over time. So yeah, we're gonna go back with that. I painted these after spraying some adhesion promoter on them, and they turned out really nice. So I'm gonna clean them up because they're just sitting here and they're dusty, and we're gonna install them. So it'll be the first thing I install on here. Forgive me if it's pretty loud. Got this heater on. It's a little chilly outside. So I'm gonna take off this wheel as well. I don't need this anymore. The transmission was leaking so bad. For that, as you all can see, nothing bone dry since I fixed it. So let's zip this off and start installing these. So yeah, I do got a couple sets of these, but we're not going back with these. I mean, this is what came on here, and I'm trying to keep it all original, but I think these will look nice for, especially for the look I'm going for. These are gonna be really nice on them. So I already did a video installing them, but just reinstalling them right now. Man, this car is black. The more it sit up in all the clear cures, you see just how black this thing is. I'm gonna get rid of that sag sitting right there. But this thing is black. Beautiful black on here. All right, yeah, let me zip that wheel off. So this is how this came. You know, all this was exposed, like I say, for potential rust, etc. But we're gonna cover all this in. I just want to give you guys an idea. That's how it looked. Got stuff in here. This is for, I use this to, so this one get painted on. have these zinc rust-free screws all around. And it gives it a better, cleaner look all around here. Look how it feels in. Really nice. If we go under here, got the one screw here. Although I have multiple holes, but this was the one I made for the car. Fits well around here. That's nice. All right, let's do the other side. You know, like these screws. All right, let's do this side. I do want to show there was a nice ding here and here. Nice dent. And I want to show you all how that turned out really nice. You can't see nothing there. For those of you who have watched the channel when I was fixing this driver's side door, yeah, it was a couple dings, a nice size one there, but I think it's laser straight. Look at that. Just want to show how that turned out. That turned out really, really nice. Despite me having a sag here. All right, let's do this side. For these to be 50-year-old pieces, they're not perfect. They are nice, but not perfect, and I like that. I like that. You can just see some wear in them, but they are nice. And these zinc screws, I'm not worried about those rusting. So the very first thing is installed, and that looks nice. And under here, you guys remember, if you watch the channel, from this line on down, we have and the whole rocker, we have that rocker guard sprayed on there, as well as here, you can see the line where it's at. It turned out nice. Let's look at the other side. I also have zinc screws here in the exhaust as well. There's some oil from my hands. I was under here fixing the leak. But, yeah, I got some screws in there, so I don't have to worry about those rusting as well for the exhaust. But yeah, I love how the exhaust is sitting under here. I really do. This thing is really, really, really nice under here. Really nice. All right. That's the only place that screw gonna rust out. I might swap that out too. On both sides of that bolt. But look at that symmetry. I gotta take the plastic off of there. Yeah, this thing is gonna be really nice. Look at the paint on Look at that nasty run. All this is shining beautifully. Camera don't do it justice. Both sides. All right, we're done here. Stay tuned for the next thing we'll be installing. Stay tuned, guys. Time for us to get this thing back together. And no more bogus transmission leak. All right. Hope you guys are enjoying this process. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Please like the video. That helps my content be pushed. So, thanks for watching. Terrence, I'm out.